Hey, Mommy, look at her. She came right to you. She knows this is the little girl with the hot dog buns. Yep.
You Richie, pat daddy. Very sad guy.
Watch. Don't get behind them.
I know. I'm trying to get away from the behind.
Nima, come here. He follow you. No more. Don't get behind him. Stay here. Go in the car. Go in the car.
No, I'm stay right here. I want to pet donkey. I want to pet donkey. No, I want to pet. I want to pet donkey.
Hello, the thing now.